Hello, my name is Peter O'Shea, and I'm the owner of American Dry Basement Systems. We started in August of 1997 and have become the premier basement waterproofing company in the entire Northeast. I'm thinking, what do I need to make a decision to be completely confident? I want to know, especially something as important as fixing your basement water problem. You're dealing with your foundation. This is big stuff. You got to get it right. As homeowners, the most important decision you're ever going to make as far as your home is concerned is how you waterproof the basement. It affects your foundation. It has long-term ramifications if you pick the wrong system for your particular type of foundation.
If you've noticed, if you take a look down here, you can see there's part of the floor has been left intact. That's what we call an engineering tab.
Now, we have some proprietary products, and we use a much stronger concrete, and our concrete actually grows into old concrete.